putting the world's product at your fingertips. Namaste, I'm Sanhita from Grade. Let's talk about the rise of e-commerce. E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. This changed how businesses work and how people shop by offering convenience and easy access to a wide range of products. The rise of e-commerce is due to the internet and digital payment systems. It grew even faster during COVID-19 when many turned to online shopping for essentials. It allows customers to get products delivered to their doorsteps. While e-commerce provides benefits like variety and convenience, it also presents some concerns like it does not allow customers to touch and feel products before purchasing, which can make it harder to take informed decisions. Another downside of e-commerce is limited face-to-face interaction leading to less socializing. It also presents some challenges like online security risks and the environmental impact of packaging and shipping. Despite these concerns and challenges, it continues to grow and evolve how people buy and sell in today's world. Thank you.